How to install Facebook Lite on Android. If any day any of you are an Android user and you would like to install the Facebook Lite on your very mobile device but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Play Store application on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the search icon and then you have to tap on Facebook Lite there. After you search Facebook Lite, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, instead of the option of the update, you can see the option of install there. You have to tap on install, and after you tap on install, the very application of Facebook Lite will be installed on your mobile device. You have to wait until it reaches 100% because after it reaches 100% it will be installed on your very mobile device directly. So this is the way on how you can install the very Facebook Lite. And after you install the Facebook Lite on your mobile device, if you see the option of update there, you can also update your very application. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.